my rather beat up Scentsy Whiff Box came in. So if you want to see if everything came in intact, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's in the other room, Bandit's next to me, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is my Scentsy Whiff Box. It came in kind of bumped and bruised, as you can see here. And yeah. Well, let's just hope there's nothing broken in here. So if you're not familiar with Scentsy, it is a wax melt company. They do other things. They have cleaning products. They have all kinds of other things, but it's a good way to kind of give a try to the different products that they have. Okay, everything does look intact. And it looks like this says spotless and sparkling is their theme. So we have a dish soap in sweet lime and peach. Yum. We're just about out of dish soap, so couldn't come in at a better time. Ooh, yeah, that's really nice. In Squeeze the Day, this is going to be a nice citrus scent. We have some Scentsy Suds. This must be laundry detergent sheets, yes, in Clothesline. Smells very nice. I love detergent sheets. And then we have 2 scent bricks. These are your wax melts. We have Clean Breeze. Nice. It's kind of got that linen scent. And Pink Peony and Pear. Ooh. Now this one. Yeah, this one I really like. So typically I put aside some of these as gifts and giveaways, and this is a nice scent, but I don't really like that linen scent so much. So I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to keep this one. So who knows, you could see it in a future subscriber give back. So keep watching, because we are going to have our 1,500 subscriber give back going on. There's actually going to be 2. There's going to be one for newer subscribers who have been with us a year or less, and one for our OGs, our folks who have been with us for a year or more. So kind of two different giveaways or give backs, but lots of fun for everybody. So you will see my community post and a video short about how to enter that. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.